So this is crazy. Some people literally take 6 hours to 12 hours just to launch one freaking product on their dropshipping store. Too long. That's way too long. Like, I preach testing 5 products per day. If you're taking 6 to 12 hours to test every single product, it's going to take you forever to go ahead and find your first winning product. So what I went ahead and did, I'm giving you guys a free segment from my program. This is one of our live group coaching sessions where one of my students actually showed how he literally went from 6 hours down to 1 hour. So this is someone else showing that they're able to get a product launch all the way down to 1 hour per product. So this isn't me. Like, I can take probably 1 hour, but obviously that's not something you guys can relate to. You guys think I have some magic set of powers, or I'm like super productive, or I'm not human. But this is another student being able to go ahead and trim his 6 hour per product launch down to 1 hour, and here's the segment.
What's your biggest advice? Because I do realize that a lot of people, when they first get started, they take a long time to test one product, and one product might take 12 hours or something, or a few days. How did you break that and get comfortable with testing a product per day and spending 1.5 hours to launch one product?
Yeah, okay. I just force myself to say like, okay, today in 4 hours I have to have a product, and then I reduce to 3 hours, and then I reduce to 2 hours, and now I'm doing 1 hour and a half. Putting my logo in the picture and making the video with the logo and colors and captions sometimes. So, but if I don't do that, I can do the product in an hour.
That's amazing.
I'm trying to do that, but keeping the quality at the same time.
Yeah, and a lot of people might be taking 4 hours right now, and they might be like, how do I do it in 1 hour? What is your advice for them?
I think the best advice is break down. I have like I have it here. It's like a breakdown of my time, like the schedule. So it's like 10 minutes for download all the pictures and creatives, 10 minutes to put the logo and upload the product to the page, 20 minutes to the copy, and 30 minutes to the video ad, and then 30 minutes to upload and create the campaign, and that's it. And then sometimes, of course, I go off, but then I review why I went off, and I just go back again to
That's amazing, Santiago.
Schedule.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing.
As you can see, pretty real and applicable tips that anyone can use. Checklists, not being too perfect with everything, not trying to put your logo and make everything sort of super in detail. Like, you only want to do those things after your product has been proven. So that's a tip from my student Santiago on how he went ahead and went from 6 hours per product launch down to I think 1 or 1.5 hours per product launch. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Question of the day: how long does it take for you to upload a product onto your store? Let me know, drop in the comments below. Before we end today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.